Do you know that feeling? You wake up, you grab your phone, and before you know it, an entire hour disappears, just scrolling. Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, laughing at memes, watching strangers live their lives. Meanwhile, your own life is on pause. Then the regret kicks in. You whisper to yourself, I'll do better tomorrow. But tomorrow? It's the same story. Wake up, scroll, regret, repeat. If that cycle sounds familiar, listen carefully, because you're not alone. And more importantly, you can break out of it. Here's the truth. Scrolling is not your fault. These apps are designed to keep you hooked. Every swipe, every notification, every ding, it's like candy for your brain. Your brain screams, just one more video. But hours later, you're left drained, guilty, and stuck. Think about it. When was the last time you woke up feeling fresh, with a whole day ahead of you, and actually used it for you, not your feed? Now let me ask you something powerful. If you added up all those hours spent scrolling, how many books could you read? How many workouts could you finish? How many skills could you learn? How many dreams could you actually be working on? The scary part is, most people won't realize the cost until it's too late. But not you. Because today, you're going to hear how to break this cycle, step by step. Step 1. The 5-second rule. The moment you wake up, don't reach for your phone. Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up, stand up, move. That tiny decision separates dreamers from scrollers. Step 2. Replace, don't remove. If you just delete the app, you'll reinstall it in 3 days. Instead, replace the habit. Example, every time you want to scroll, open a note and write one line about your day. Or pick up a book. Even one page is progress. Your brain still gets the quick win, but now you're feeding it something better. Step 3. Make it obvious. Want to stop morning scrolling? Put your phone across the room before you sleep. Set your alarm on the other side. Now, to turn it off, you have to get up. And when you're up, you're already winning. Step 4. Reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards. So, reward yourself, but with purpose. Example, after 30 minutes of focused work, allow 5 minutes of scrolling, not the other way around. You control it. Don't let it control you. Here's the funny part. You think scrolling is relaxing. But have you noticed you feel more tired after an hour of it? That's not rest. That's escape. Real rest comes from a walk, a nap, a deep talk with a friend. Now let's get real for a second. Your future self is watching you right now, and they're asking, why did you waste so many mornings on nothing? The truth is, your future self doesn't care about the video that made you laugh today. They care about the book you wrote, the business you started, the health you built, the courage you showed. Every scroll steals a brick from the house you're supposed to build. So let me ask you, do you want to keep waking up, scrolling, regretting, and repeating? Or do you want to wake up, move, create, and grow? Because here's the good news. It only takes one choice. Not tomorrow, not next week, but the very next time you wake up. Here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, when your alarm goes off, don't touch your phone. Sit up, drink a glass of water, do one push-up, write one sentence. Anything except scrolling. That single decision might feel small, but it's the start of a completely different life. Remember this. Social media is a tool. It's not evil. But when the tool starts using you, that's when you lose. So take your control back. Wake up to your life, not your feed. And if you're watching this, I know you're the type of person who wants more from life. You don't want to waste it. So here's what I'll leave you with. Wake up. Don't scroll. Don't regret. And don't repeat the cycle. Instead, break it. If this video hit you, don't just swipe to the next one. Take action. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button because we're building a community of people who choose growth over comfort.